Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a thrilling journey into the world of cutting-edge innovation. From mind-blowing gadgets to game-changing discoveries, we'll explore the top 2023 inventions that are reshaping the way we live. Whether you're a tech-savvy guru or just curious about the future, this is the channel for you. Join me as we dive into the latest breakthroughs and unravel the mysteries of tomorrow's technology. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest trends and mind-boggling innovations. Let's embrace the future together. Color-changing cars. Let's dive deeper into the captivating world of color-changing cars. Imagine a car that not only gets you from point A to B, but also expresses your personality and emotions through its vibrant hues. The magic behind these vehicles lies in their specialized paint that reacts to external factors like temperature and sunlight. When exposed to heat, the car might transform from a serene blue to a fiery red, and as the sun sets, it might take on a cool shade of purple. Aside from being visually striking, color-changing cars offer practical advantages in areas with limited visibility during foggy or dark conditions. These cars stand out and enhance safety on the roads. Moreover, their ability to blend into natural surroundings has exciting implications for those who value seamless aesthetics. Artificial intelligence. The realm of artificial intelligence, short for AI, is transforming industries and revolutionizing how we interact with technology. In 2023, AI is a driving force behind innovations across diverse fields. For instance, AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, providing seamless and personalized customer service experiences. This allows companies to handle a high volume of inquiries efficiently, leaving customers satisfied and engaged. Moreover, self-driving cars guided by AI algorithms are undergoing rigorous testing on roadways globally. 3D printing. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of 3D printing. This revolutionary technology is reshaping manufacturing, enabling the creation of intricate and customizable objects with unparalleled precision. In 2023, 3D printers are taking on ambitious projects such as producing customizable clothing and accessories tailored to individuals' unique preferences. Furthermore, the medical field is reaping tremendous benefits from 3D printing. Custom-made prosthetics are becoming more accessible, improving the quality of life for people with physical disabilities. Additionally, researchers are exploring the possibility of printing organs and tissues, potentially solving the organ shortage crisis and transforming the landscape of healthcare. Robotics. The rise of robotics is nothing short of astounding. In 2023, these mechanical wonders are proving their mettle across industries, enhancing productivity and performing tasks that were once considered too dangerous or complex for humans. In the manufacturing sector, robots equipped with advanced sensors and precision controls are streamlining production lines, leading to higher efficiency and reduced costs. In healthcare, surgical robots are becoming indispensable partners for surgeons, enabling minimally invasive procedures with unmatched precision. These robots also aid in patient care, taking on repetitive tasks and allowing medical professionals to focus on more critical aspects of treatment. Beyond that, robots are playing a significant role in environmental protection as they venture into hazardous areas to clean up waste and contaminants without endangering human lives. Gene editing. Our journey into the future of technology wouldn't be complete without exploring the groundbreaking world of gene editing. In 2023, this cutting-edge technology is making strides in the field of medicine, offering hope for curing previously untreatable diseases. Researchers are using gene editing techniques like CRISPR to target and modify specific genes responsible for causing various genetic disorders. For example, they are developing customized treatments that use the patient's own immune cells to fight cancer more effectively. Moreover, gene editing holds immense potential for eradicating inherited diseases such as sickle cell anemia by correcting faulty genetic sequences. While this technology is still in its early stages, the progress made so far indicates a promising future for personalized, precise medicine. Virtual reality VR. Virtual reality is an immersive technology that transports users to artificial worlds, blurring the line between reality and the digital realm. By simulating a three-dimensional environment, VR provides a multi-sensory experience that engages sight, sound, and sometimes touch, allowing users to interact and navigate within these fabricated spaces. VR has applications in various fields, including gaming, education, training, therapy, and design. It offers a compelling way to explore new realities, foster empathy, and enhance learning through experiential immersion. As VR technology advances, its potential continues to expand, enabling more realistic and impactful experiences. Whether it's traversing distant lands, practicing surgery, or creating artworks in a virtual studio, VR holds the promise of reshaping how we interact with content and each other. Space exploration. Space exploration has captivated humanity's imagination for decades, driving us to reach for the stars and unlock the mysteries of the cosmos. It embodies our innate curiosity and desire to expand our horizons. Through technological innovation and international collaboration, we have achieved remarkable milestones. From the first human on the moon to the robotic exploration of distant planets and moons, space exploration yields invaluable scientific discoveries, enhancing our understanding of the universe's origins, evolution, and potential habitability. Moreover, it fosters technological advancements that benefit life on Earth, from medical breakthroughs to sustainable energy solutions. As we gaze into the night sky, we are reminded of our limitless potential to explore, learn, and shape the future through the awe-inspiring journey of space exploration. We've just scratched the surface of the incredible new inventions shaping our world in 2023. These innovations are more than just impressive gadgets, they reflect the dedication and ingenuity of human minds striving to create a better future. As we move forward, I'm excited to witness even more extraordinary breakthroughs that will undoubtedly redefine the possibilities of human potential. Thank you for joining me on this exploration on the top 10 new inventions of 2023. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. I'm always eager to hear your thoughts and suggestions if you know any of other groundbreaking inventions in 2023 and that deserve recognition. Please leave a comment below. Your engagement and ideas inspire me to continue uncovering the marvels of technology. Until next time, let's embrace the wonders of innovation and continue our journey into the extraordinary future. Thank you for watching!